Hello, YouTube. We're gone. It's been a little bit. Haven't posted for a little while, but yeah, we're back again with some new content, and I'm putting up on the E90 today, dealing with the Strut Bar. Yeah. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get that started, but I kind of checked it out before I start work, and I realized I can't do it by myself. Being I got the coilovers and stuff, my studs kind of stick up kind of higher. Later on in the video, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm about to go check my virgin Chris, Island Auto Works, borrow some tools and help get the job done, because I don't have the tools. You understand? I have sockets and stuff like that, but I need the E-Torx socket, which I don't have. So I'm gonna go link him. And of course, yeah, stay tuned as usual. Like, share, subscribe. That's how the thing's set. Bam! Alright, so like how I couldn't do it myself, come check the boy Chris.
Island Auto Works always here for a party.
Well, we ain't partying today.
What you mean?
We had a sweet party over the weekend. Man, them get not too drunk, but we just get nice, you know? It was a good vibes. Can't really tell you what happened.
First of all, I lie him, I tell you. Him alone did not get drunk.
Of course
the
not,
rest
you know?
of us twisted.
You know, I have to drive home. I want to make sure my car gets home properly.
And anytime me and Badis link up is always a good vibe. So I know him I say, always a party with the bad man here.
Alright, so I tried this yesterday by myself. I didn't have all the proper tools, or I said the right socket. Some people say you can do this without taking that off, but you know, I got an aftermarket suspension, which is the coilovers from, was it Yellow Racing? See how the studs stick up? Yeah, so this black brace has to lift up. That's what I'm telling him, but we're gonna see. You go ahead, sir, if you want to start.
Listen, my disclaimer is that it is aftermarket. From factory, you're supposed to be able to just slide in nice. But you have taller studs, so we're gonna shoot this off. Boom. This ain't make a wobble room.
Just give it enough room. Because right now, we're gonna put on the strut brace.
Both sides.
Both sides.
People, when you're taking stuff apart, remember where you take it apart from. If not, you shouldn't be working on your car. Alright, get a little flex. Boom. If anybody thinks that they need to take off they strut brace to install, oh shit, no, still need the 13. If you think say you have to remove this completely, like take it off your car, that's not true. You can still run the factory brace with an upgraded brace most of the time. You know what size your thing was? What was it? 13 bolts?
I'm saying something you can do in your garage by yourself, but you know what I'm saying? I didn't have the, what's the name of that socket?
That's the E-Torx.
So yeah, I didn't have the E-Torx, so I had to run for assistance.
E-Torx, inverted torque socket, yo, it got a bunch of different names.
Yeah.
But it's only popular in BMW and Mercedes.
You hear the man? That's correct.
And then when you start getting big engine jobs on American cars, also popular. But we don't work on American around here. The man, them are true German specialists.
See how simple it is? Move that brace, pull out the 3 bolts from the strut.
You don't gotta lift up the car. It's actually better that you leave the car planted on the ground so that you don't mess up none of your shit. Alright, before I'm gonna tighten up anything around here, we're gonna repeat the same process on the next side.
Simple enough.
That's the right way to do it. I don't know about the way someone wanna do it, but I know the right way it is.
I don't know if you guys hear that, but
we have the ghetto sopranos around here.
The life of the ghetto, we work in the ghetto.
Sopranos around here.
Listen, see if we can hear them again. I'm talking about so the camera can hear them.
Yeah, listen, they're not as loud as that guy there.
Watch that wire there. The wire.
Underneath?
Yeah. No, right here in the front,
What is for?
It's my bootleg alarm. It's just a sound,
I want to make sure it's in the
Yeah.
And everybody needs to know that. Still lives with his mother. Got me sleeping in a fucking van. I don't get along with his fucking mother. Can't support nobody. He relies on his fucking family to give him shit. That car ain't his. That car's not his. His mother gave him that. He has nothing. This man has nothing. Nothing.
Quick little touchdown.
Simple.
Nothing.
Another touchdown again on this side.
Piece of shit. They got a nerve to come on. You 54 years old. 54. What am I doing with a old fucking man that can't help me? Huh?
People, just act like y'all watching me, but watch the show.
Yeah. The trials and tribulations we go through in the ghetto when you're trying to record your YouTube channel.
Everybody
Full of
knows you ain't got
excitement. You
shit.
never know what's gonna happen.
Can't even afford to pay for his fucking weed. This man ain't got shit. He out here, and this is the only shit he knows. This is the only shit this man knows. He spent 30 years in fucking jail. He ain't got shit. He'll never be shit.
Time back down to people them property. Next up.
I had to let everybody know the real man.
Hold on, brother.
No problem.
Oh, me want to know what the fuck wrong with you and yourself.
Oh, I'm tighten up there.
Yeah,
But that's all cool, because they're not about going for them things.
Look. Relax yourself.
Nah, fuck you.
Just gotta take off this plastic off it and we're done.
Man, no, you might want the plastic, you know.
Brother, with the heat, look what the heat did to this. You see what the heat did to this? It used to be red.
Oh, turn on different color.
Yeah. And then you want to leave the plastic on here?
I'm sure you can melt that.
Like a melter, brother. We just gotta tighten up these braces, make sure it's good. And the job is done.
From me get pan the job is done. Unless it's an E82 that needs an engine swap.
So, this is something you can do in your own garage. Quick, easy, simple thing, you see? Take us less than 15 minutes, especially if you know what you're doing.
Police, come up here.
Life in the ghetto.
Now the officers are here now. And you go on the side there. And I was gonna do this by myself at my house. Yes, true, but you get to my work here.
Now what's the point of this if you can't?
Yeah, what?
Sorry, man.
Yeah, she went around that corner.
Put on. Very simple setup. I guess we're gonna check out the handle when we go on the hutch later. Lucky you. This guy's so lucky. I ain't trying this on the 95.
Yo, listen.
What up,
Well
fam?
done, brother.
Everything blessed? You don't know, ain't nothing but love, boy. Officer friend, yo! When I say officer, walk one. Officer.
Nice and tight. It's not move. Sexiness.
Eh.
Yo, I'm seriously gonna. I have to go other black one. I'll probably gonna put heat paint on that.
What a black one, bro.
I'm just order a black one, right?
That makes sense. Fucking drug dealer anymore.
Congratulations, by the way. Thanks, bro.
Nigga, I need that right there for the silver car. And the black car. Especially the silver.
Officers, them is working in the ghetto.